Today I'm going to draw a family of crabs. I've got new markers for the whiteboard. Usually the classic set of markers is just 5 about somewhere there, but there are 12 colors in here. 12. And I'm going to draw a big crab in the middle first. I'll choose color red for him. To draw a crab, you need to do a circle, but not quite an oval, but a circle that's a little bit down, but still it's a really fat oval. One half, the other half. Like you do a spider like that, but this is different. You make one leg, just shading it. Like that. And you have to shade it carefully, not making any gaps. I'm not coloring inside because it will take me too long to do it. Now the other side. When you come to the eyes, remember crab's eyes are looking down, but they can look up also. Ours is going to look up, so we can see them on the picture. Now, for the end of their feet, we need a really sharp point because they couldn't have walked so fast. They didn't have it. And the last one, like that. We're gonna go with the eyes. We put 2 strips here and go a circle on each side, but not drawing here a line. Then we draw another circle in the middle, and in both sides the same. We take away the red and take the black. You draw an eyeball on both of them. Trace the outside with red, with black and red. So we can color the red there, and so we don't get the red inside the black. Because when we draw red, it can go inside the black with whiteboard markers. Now we have a crab. Now we'll draw the other family of crabs. We'll draw a little one here. The same as we did. Gonna do them first, the eyes. I know why I chose to do that, but I was just waiting to finish them. Make sure they are fat, because if they're thin, you couldn't see them. Now, we finished with the 2 crabs. Now we have to do a third one. third one is going to be yellow. It's gonna be that big. Draw the legs. It looks like a spider, but it isn't at first. When you draw just the legs. Now, we have to also think if we want the eyes to be like that, or if you don't want to, you can make a crab going the other way and just cover the eyes because they are on both sides. Like this one. I'm just coloring in the eyes. I'm not coloring in everything because it will take me too long. But you can color yours. Pause the video here if you want to color, please. Thank you for watching this video. I believe that you will make a beautiful drawing and you can share with me. Take a photo of your drawing and post on any social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any others. Or ask your parents to post it. Add the hashtag. Join with Alisa. I love to see or comment all of your drawings. Bye.